Come on, girl. Hello, everybody. I'm Dave. This is Cooking with Pawpaw and Maya. Okay? She wants me to show you our new hoodie. It says Doc's Desserts with a pineapple upside down cake on it. That's us.
I'm gonna get mine, okay?
Are we cooking or are we showing shirts?
I'm gonna go get my hoodie.
Okay, fine.
So I can show them. Pause it. We're back.
All right. She wants to show you her hoodie she got for her birthday. Her birthday's tomorrow. She turns 9.
It says Therian Girl because, but I'm gonna get one of, we could do like the brownie sounds I made. We can take a screenshot and.
You know what to do with the brownies. Okay. All right, guys. Like I said, this is Cooking with Pawpaw. We showed our new shirts, our Doc's Desserts, and our Therian. No, you got Therian.
Yes,
Okay. Today, what we're going to do, you got a K9? I've got a K9. I love my pup. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to make your pup homemade treats. They're peanut butter pumpkin treats for a pup. 100% safe for your pup. Okay?
And do not give them to cats because my mom has a cat and
They don't like them.
Cookie ate. That's the cat's name. That my mom has. Cookie ate him one time. I think mommy said the next day she threw up.
We got a cup of pumpkin puree.
Yeah, but y'all,
Okay?
here is my hoodie. Y'all can tell. Alright, I'm gonna go show them my hoodie real quick.
Okay.
It says Therian Girl. Is that good?
Nope, put it back over here.
That good?
Nope, move it over that way. Further that way. Come towards me. And your way. Okay. Alright, we got our cup of pumpkin in. Okay? We got a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Alright?
Got a problem to go cry to your mama. So who's the one being gonna cook? Me and you?
Yeah. But these here we gotta roll out and cut.
Can I do that?
You can't roll them out.
Can I cut them?
Yeah. Go over there in that cookie cutter box and get the cookie
Where?
cutter. 3 cookie cutters.
Is this them?
That's it. Boy, I didn't get about 3 cookie cutters. Now make sure you get her bone. Okay. Now we got a cup of pumpkin and our 1/4 cup of peanut butter.
A bone.
And we also have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. That's in a minute.
Christmas tree. And
All right.
a heart.
We need to put 2 eggs in this too, but I'm gonna mix the peanut butter and the pumpkin together for a little bit. And I'm gonna add my eggs one at a time.
Okay, I got a heart, a Christmas tree, and her bone.
Okay. That works. Alright, we gotta stir it around a little bit. It's not thoroughly mixed, but that's enough.
Where do you want me to put these?
Lay them on the table.
A heart, a Christmas tree, and a bone. And her bone.
That's 1 egg.
Right here? Where do you want me to put them?
Move the egg carton and put them right where that's at.
Where do I put the egg carton?
In the trash. Okay, that's 2 eggs. And what do I say? You handle eggs, what do you do?
Wash your hands.
It don't matter if you're cooking for your puppy or your wife. You gotta wash your hands.
Or yourself. Or your 8-year-old granddaughter that is
Yeah.
going to turn 9 tomorrow.
Okay. Alright.
A
Now,
heart, a Christmas tree, and a bone. A heart,
alright. We
a
got
Christmas tree, and her bone.
that. Now we're gonna mix it good. And we'll scrape our sides down with our spatula. I'm talking to them. And now they can't see nothing because you turned it. This way a little bit. A little bit more. Twist it. There you go. That's good. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna scrape the sides down.
Can I show them while you're doing that?
Wait a minute. Okay. Now we're gonna dump a cup of flour in it. Just one cup. Okay, to start out with. And what do? We start it slow on one. Because you don't want it to go everywhere. You don't want to have flour shining, all that stuff going on.
I did not see him make these before. He made them one time before Thanksgiving.
And I know y'all requested roll cakes. I will make y'all, I showed you the pumpkin roll. We'll do the Reese's roll and a strawberry roll. Yes. Strawberry cream. Yeah. And a white cake. We'll do those two. Not tonight, but we will do them in the near future because Christmas is coming. I know everybody wants to do some home baking for Christmas. For Thanksgiving, my wife said, go at it. So I made a pumpkin roll. I made a Reese's roll. I made a pineapple upside down cake. I made a pumpkin spice cake. All kinds of cakes and all kinds of pies for Thanksgiving. Now I'm going to do it again for Christmas. I'll make some videos for y'all as I'm doing them. Okay, that cup of flour is in while I was running my mouth, y'all.
Can I show them?
Hang on a minute. Okay, now we got 2 more cups of flour here. And we're going to put half of this in.
When I can show them.
Oh, hang on, because we got to put it on the table and roll it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, back on one.
Can I show them?
No, because it's not mixed. I'm trying to mix it.
I want to show them what it should look like.
You will when we get it done.
I don't know when it's mixing.
They know it's going to be dry flour and ingredients mixing around in there. Our dog's name's Chewy, and she loves these. Okay, now we got to clean our beater off because it's kind of a mess. So just take your spatula and push it off your beater. Ba-boom. No! I don't want to do that. No. Okay, back in the bowl you go.
You're funny.
All right, everybody says they love my upbeat personality and my energy I bring. Life's too short to take it too serious. You gotta laugh at yourself. Because you know everybody else is.
He actually has had 1,000 surgeries.
Alright, we got the last of our flour in. We're gonna get that mixed in.
I'm surprised he's still walking because he had 1,000 surgeries.
Okay. We're gonna let that mix. Okay? While that mixes, I'm gonna wipe my table off and put my cutting board out.
Do you want me to pause it?
Nope. Just let it go. I'm gonna throw this in here.
Let it go! I hate Elsa, by the way. She's the worst and she's ugly.
Okay.
I hate the snow.
Alright. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Remember that.
I cannot tell a word you just said.
I said cleanliness is next to godliness. You gotta be clean when you're cooking. No matter what you're cooking,
Queremos al amanecer, me necesito solo crecer. Muchísimas tijeras me tiene y buenas semillas lo muchísimo. Pis que me lastima una fina. Queremos al
Maya, what are you doing?
Singing a song. Queremos al amanecer, me necesito solo crecer. Muchísimas tijeras al amanecer y buenas semillas lo muchísimo.
We got our cutting board. Alright, this is almost come together. You gotta flour your cutting board because you don't want it to stick. And we're gonna bake these at 350. There's no set time as to they're done and crunchy.
Tell them what you got in your ears.
Sure. Well, okay. I'm gonna start my oven. All right, we're gonna take this out now. See the mess? Bloop. There's your gob. That's your pup treats. It's all stuck to the meter. You eat her. Yeah, come on. We'll get it here in a minute. Yeah, it's a tug of war. I won. So that's Pawpaw 1, Beater 0. Alright, there we go. And there ain't nothing left in the bowl. Okay. So, we gotta roll these out. So you got your cutting board flour. We got our pans over here. Get a cookie sheet. Sprinkle some flour on it and knead it. There's no. Just roll it into itself to knead it. Okay? Okay. Then flip it over. Pat it out. Like that. And then you go over here. Get in drawer B. And get a rolling pin. And you roll them out. Because they're about a 1/4 inch thick. And don't worry, you're going to be rolling and kneading a few times to get them done and cut. But that's fine. Maya will do the cutting today. Oh, I'm losing. I'm wearing flour. Yeah, if anybody wants to donate an apron, hey, let me know.
2 aprons.
Okay, we got it rolled out.
One for kids and one for old crazy men.
Okay, they look like that when you get them rolled out. She's got the cutters. I'm going to move the pan to her side so she can cut them and put them on the pan. All right. Cut them up and get them on the pan, baby.
How many should I do of each?
Well, however many you want. Just start cutting. And where's the pan? There it is. Cut them and put them on the pan, baby.
I do not want to wear flour like you.
You probably will.
Oh no. I'm going to start with the heart.
Okay.
And do,
I'm going to slide towards you.
I'm going to do heart, bone, Christmas tree. Heart, bone,
Okay.
heart, bone. Where should I do the heart?
Start on the end.
Right here?
Yeah, but as close to the end as you can get.
I'm waiting for him.
I'm trying to get as much of these cut out as we can at one time. Okay. Start cutting, beautiful. I've been calling her beautiful since she was born.
Why do them after I cut them?
Put them on the pan.
With my hand?
Yeah, with your hands. That you washed before we started cooking. It's hard to cut. There you go.
If y'all ever see him with that hoodie, say hi.
Yeah.
Or if y'all ever see me with this hoodie, say hi. Because I will definitely say hi back. But say I know y'all from Maya Cooking with Papa, and I will talk to you. And I'll say, stay right there. I'm gonna go get Papa. I would though.
I know. You got to put them on there close together so we can get them all on. They don't have no leavening in it, so they won't raise.
She loves it.
Yeah, I know. I will cut one here. But yeah. But we'll get them in the oven here in a little bit. We're cutting them out right now. And we're going to make some sugar cookies for Santa too.
Are we gonna do a video?
We'll do a video.
You can cut other shapes than just.
I know, but I was going to bone because there was little places where you left and the bone would fit. So I was trying to get rid of that so I'd have less to roll out for the second time. You got 2 more bones to get. This is very springy.
There's a lot of bones.
Yeah. Alright. You got it up here you can cut.
Can I come over that?
Well, yeah. Go ahead, beautiful.
It feels like it's a stage back here.
Yeah.
Because you're.
Whoa. Scoot it over like that. So we only go roll one more time. We should have all the cookies done. Our oven's ready. Yeah.
Ow. Where? Where do I put it?
Put it right here.
Your hand is kind of in the way.
Well, I was kind of moving stuff for you. Okay, while you're cutting those, I'm going to move these here around a little bit so we can get more on this pan. Okay? All right.
So, I passed to you.
Yeah, hand me that bone.
Oh. Now I'm gonna do a hard one.
Okay.
Come on.
Let me get in those hands. Roll that back up and re-roll it. Well, I think we can get one more bone out of this before we re-roll it. Right here.
Queremos dar
Okay. Now we just go back, put it all back together into a big mound of puppy treats.
I love you.
I love you.
You're really weird though.
Nah, I'm just a happy guy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This should all just be able to knead it back in.
I'm sitting in a chair.
Don't let me sit on you.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna wet my hands to put a little bit more moisture into this, because it's not wanting to go together. Okay. That's better. See, it's coming together now. Okay. You got all this flour all over your table from where you fired the cutting board. Throw a little bit of it back on that cutting board. Pat it back out. This here should be, or it will be, our last roll out for the rolling pin. Because if we cut them right,
What if they all don't fit?
they will. Okay, why you don't hit my legs? You're going to make me fall. I'm sorry. If you roll pins first, the stick, just throw some flour on top. Like I said, about a 1/4 inch sticks, what you want them.
¿Cómo está?
Okay,
El amanecer.
we're gonna cut these out. I think we're gonna do a lot of bones on this one.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 hearts.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bones and.
Okay.
3 Christmas trees.
Cool.
There's more bones than Christmas trees.
Yeah.
Queremos estar que la necesita solo crecer. What you sing with
What are you doing?
Singing a Spanish song?
Don't sing. We don't speak Spanish. I know. So you shouldn't be singing it if you don't know what it means. It may be, I'm a brat, I'm a brat. Yeah, I know, I'm a brat. You never know.
Or it could be my papa's weird, my papa's weird. I'm a papa, my papa's
Okay.
weird. My papa's weird, my papa's weird. My papa's weird. My papa is weird.
Okay. What I'm going to do is just roll these into balls and shape them, because that's the easiest way to do it with the little bit we got. Just roll it into a ball and kind of flatten it out to make a circle.
What's that? Why'd you do a circle?
Because it was the easiest thing to do. Because our dough is getting too much flour in it, and it's not going to want to roll out and do a lot with it. So we'll just do it this way.
You're bleeding.
Where?
You're peaky.
Take this and we'll make a little twist out of it. Get creative. Make her a little, like a little donut twist.
Just give me my money.
All right, we're gonna put these in the oven. We'll show them to you when we get them out. It'll be a few minutes. We'll be back.
We'll be back in like 5-10 minutes.
Turn it around this way a little bit. No, just put them on the table. Okay, that's good. All right, guys, it's been about 15 or 20 minutes. We're gonna get them out.
Like my hat off. Should I do a video of her tasting them? The same video. Oh, did you drop one?
Yeah. But I just cleaned the floor. So it's good. All right. Let them cool. Get a sealed container. You got to keep them in the refrigerator. But just let them cool. And put them in a sealed container in your refrigerator. Your pup will love you forever with these. Thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful day.
Here, I'm going to pause it for a second.
Stop it. Stop it. Yeah,
Okay, y'all, I'm going to check on the cookie that I just put in the fridge. For some reason. Just, smells good. Can I give it to her?
Yeah, pause that until you get back from where she's at.
Okay, I'm going back to give her one of the cookies. Okay, thank you. Take a bite. Dog ASMR. Okay. You liked it? Okay, y'all. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna get my papa to say bye real quick. Oh man. Say bye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.